If you want the best experience on the ASUS ROG OLED XG27AQDMG, here are the key settings to use. For panel care, set pixel cleaning to auto so it runs in standby, turn screen move to strong to reduce burn-in, and disable both auto logo brightness and screen saver since they can dim or interrupt gameplay. For FPS gaming, switch to FPS picture mode, set gamma to 1.8, and use Shadow Boost Dynamic for clearer visibility in dark scenes. For everyday SDR use, choose Racing Mode or User Mode, set brightness to 256 around 116 nits, gamma to 2.0, and enable uniform brightness for consistency. In User Mode, adjust color temperature to R, 100 divided by G, 96 divided by B95 for neutral tones, and set the color gamut to wide for vibrant media. For smooth gameplay, turn on Adaptive Sync divided by VRR. If you prefer ELMB blur reduction, disable VRR and use a 120 Hz refresh rate. Finally, for HDR, set brightness to 100,000 nits or 90 if too bright, and use Game HDR as the best all-rounder. Console HDR is tuned for PS5 divided by Xbox, but caps at to 700 nits, while Cinema HDR offers softer tones for movies. Do your own research.